DeepSeek is about to drop their V4 model. Xiaomi's humanoid robots are now working in factories. And a Chinese robotics startup just raised $350 million. This is China Tech Insider, your weekly look at the innovation coming out of the world's largest tech ecosystem. Let's dive in. Let's start with what might be the biggest AI story of the week. DeepSeek, the Hangzhou-based AI lab that shocked the world with their efficiency breakthroughs last year, is planning to release their V4 large language model this week. And this one is different. According to sources familiar with the matter, V4 will be a fully multimodal model capable of generating text, images, and video all in one unified system. But here's where it gets really interesting. Sources say DeepSeek worked directly with Chinese AI chipmakers Huawei and Cambricon to optimize V4 for their latest hardware. If true, this would mark a significant step toward China's goal of building an AI stack that doesn't rely on American chips. DeepSeek has been quiet since their January 2025 release that demonstrated how to match GPT-4 level performance at a fraction of the cost. The AI community has been watching closely to see what they've been working on. Now we're about to find out. The timing is notable too, coming right as the Chinese government doubles down on technological self-reliance in their 2026 policy agenda. We'll be covering the V4 release in detail once it drops, so make sure you're subscribed. From software AI to physical AI. Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun made a big announcement this week. The company's humanoid robots have begun trial operations at Xiaomi's automobile factory. Let that sink in for a moment. A company better known for smartphones and electric vehicles now has robots working on actual production lines. Lei Jun shared that the company's robotics unit has made significant progress with their Vision Language Action Foundation model called Xiaomi Robotics 0. By combining multimodal perception with reinforcement learning, these humanoid robots can now autonomously handle tasks like loading nuts at assembly stations and transporting material boxes around the factory floor. The key metrics are improving too. Mean time between failures is going up, and single-task success rates are getting better with each deployment. Lei Jun says Xiaomi plans to deploy large numbers of these robots across their production facilities within the next 5 years. This is part of Xiaomi's broader strategy to expand beyond smartphones into electric vehicles and advanced manufacturing. They're essentially building the infrastructure for the next industrial revolution, and they're testing it on their own factory floor first. Speaking of humanoid robots, there's clearly serious money flowing into this space. Galbot, a Chinese company focused on embodied AI models for humanoid robots, just closed a massive funding round totaling 2.5 billion yuan, that's about $350 million. And the investor list reads like a who's who of Chinese strategic capital: the China Integrated Circuit Industry Investment Fund, Sinopec, CITIC-affiliated entities, and SAIC Motors' financial arm all participated. This comes just months after Galbot raised over $300 million in December at a valuation exceeding 20 billion yuan. Founded in May 2023, so less than 3 years old, Galbot has already deployed robots across industrial manufacturing, retail, and healthcare scenarios. The company says it has secured cumulative orders totaling several thousand units from major clients including CATL, Bosch, Toyota, BAIC Group, and SAIC Motor. Toyota and Bosch buying Chinese humanoid robots. That's a sentence that would have seemed absurd 5 years ago. The funding will go toward developing Galbot's proprietary embodied AI system and advancing commercialization. This is physical AI, the next frontier after generative AI, and Chinese companies are racing to dominate it. From robots to autonomous vehicles. Momenta, one of China's leading autonomous driving startups, has confidentially filed for an initial public offering in Hong Kong. According to Bloomberg, the company is working with CICC and Deutsche Bank and may seek to raise at least $1 billion. Momenta was founded in 2016 and is backed by some heavyweight investors including General Motors and Tencent. The company was valued at more than $5 billion in a funding round last year. Now here's the interesting backstory. Momenta previously filed for a US IPO back in 2024, but that filing has since lapsed. The move to Hong Kong reflects the broader shift in Chinese tech listings away from American markets amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. The autonomous driving sector in China is heating up. DiDi's autonomous driving unit just launched something called Voyager Labs for multimodal end-to-end driving research. Multiple Chinese cities are expanding their robotaxi programs. And the competition between Baidu Apollo, Pony AI, WeRide, and Momenta is intensifying. If Momenta's IPO succeeds, it could open the door for more Chinese autonomous driving companies to go public in Hong Kong. Let's talk about ByteDance and AI video generation. Volsengen, ByteDance cloud computing arm, has disclosed pricing for their CDance 2.0 video generation model. And the numbers are fascinating. The model costs roughly 1 yuan, about 14 US cents, per second of generated video. Breaking that down, it's 28 yuan per million tokens for video editing with input video, and 46 yuan per million tokens for pure video generation from scratch. To put that in perspective, generating a 15-second video consumes approximately 308,000 tokens, which works out to about 1 yuan, or 14 cents per second. This makes AI video generation increasingly accessible for content creators and businesses. ByteDance has been aggressively building out their AI capabilities, and CDance 2.0 represents their push into the competitive AI video generation market alongside offerings from Runway, Pika, and others. The TikTok parent company clearly sees AI-generated video as a core part of their future content ecosystem. Between this, their Doubao AI assistant, and their investments in various AI models, ByteDance is positioning itself as a full-stack AI company, not just a social media platform. And that wraps up this week's China Tech Insider. From DeepSeek's multimodal breakthrough to humanoid robots on factory floors, from billion-dollar autonomous driving IPOs to the economics of AI video generation, China's tech ecosystem continues to evolve at a remarkable pace. The theme connecting all these stories is China's push toward what they call physical AI, artificial intelligence that operates in the real world, not just on screens. Whether that's robots in factories, autonomous vehicles on streets, or AI systems optimized for domestic chips, the direction is clear. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Drop a comment below and let us know which story you found most interesting. Until next time, this is China Tech Insider.